Ntuli, and the risk taker, as you can see somewhere there. I'm the risk taker, but I'm working for Mduduzi Ntuli. The pitch is about retail and innovation. Who love traffic? Who love traffic? No one loves traffic. Then let's go to the shops. Let's say ShopRite or Pick and Pay shop and game macro. We put if you are behind the person who's carrying about 1,005 grocery with a big trolley, and then you've got 200 trolley behind, and then you see scanning and all of it. Did, and then you end up fed up. The innovation comes with this. Let's say we get the fiber, the guys would work with fiber cables, and then we put on the trolley or in each on each basket fiber cables, and then we put a scan. When you put something inside, it plus. When you take out something, it minus. When you get on the till, you just take out the money and then you pay. Then you go out. Don't be no more traffic. I think that's my pitch. Thank you very much.